This part of the tutorial is to show you how to replace the lens on the R2 cam. So there's three main parts that you need. This retaining ring, your new wide angle lens, and a new lower profile lens mount. So to begin, we have to undo the screws, the two Phillips head screws on the back of the R2 cam. Next, we can take off the existing lens and lens mount, and we'll go ahead to install the new lens mount using the same two screws that we took off. Make sure you line the holes up properly, but we can adjust this later as well. Okay, now we take the bottom cover off of the new lens that we have to expose the other side, and we take this retaining ring and we want to partially thread this on to the lens, just like that. And this will prevent the lens from loosening over time and screwing up the focus of the camera. So once the retaining ring looks like this, we are going to hand thread this camera into the new lens mount that we just installed. Just like that. Don't worry about the focus for now. We can adjust that later using our camera testing script. So once that is on, you don't have to tighten it fully because we still need to focus the camera. You may plug in the provided cable, the 4-pin cable, into the back of the camera. And the lens is replaced. So this is the old lens and this is the new one that will give us the wide angle.